What do you shoot someone in the foot? Are you recording?
Almost got my eye.
Sorry.
Oh man.
Is it okay?
Yeah, almost got my eye though.
Okay.
Did you figure out the rules yet?
Oh yeah, don't shoot at the people. I made a big mistake. I just shot Thomas in the face.
I remember you shot. Remember?
I'm sorry. Your pain shall not go in vain.
Remember when you shot me at when you were teammates when you shot at me from Memo? And I got my eye.
Oh, I just threw a dart. I threw a dart.
And it like went in my
Oh, the sword! Oh my gosh, I am sorry. Target practice. Who should I shoot? Thomas, give me a target.
Marcel.
Marcel?
Hey, everyone come down here. Everybody come down here.
Not ready for this? Now, Justin.
Come in! Everybody play, come here! Come here, yeah!
Francis, jump over the chair.
Wait, we're
Gather in the center, we have the rules for the game.
Team Jesus!
Okay, so it's gonna be the teams are gonna be split up into two. It's gonna be guns versus no guns. Wait, but then we're gonna switch it some of the tables around so like the people with no guns have more cover, but the people with guns they can't pass probably that free throw line. And all we have to do is where's that volleyball? Volleyball inside that hoop. I said 3 points, 3-point line.
That sounds awesome, right? It's just like, can the volleyball be a weapon for the people who don't know?
Yes. Weapon and.
Okay, fine, if you do that and we get a hold of it, you lose on that.
First to get the biscuit.
This is getting interesting.
Wait, I'm confused.
Also, okay, melee weapons are instant kills.
So we should get melee weapons and the ball.
Yes, start.
The guns, this one's going to be hard because you have to do honor system. 2 darts to the body is a kill. 1 dart to the head is a kill.
Are you taking video?
What about like,
Are you taking video, Thomas?
no, any part of the body.
All right, everyone hear that?
So like your arm?
Honor system.
The honor system.
So if you get you guys can't pass the free throw line.
Oh, no, like really hard whacking with the middle. Yeah, we just kind of tap on
What?
That's the whole point.
Hi. Wait, go to see Catherine first.
Can't it be like a 3-point?
What?
Hey, how close do you have to make it?
See Catherine and Jim.
Okay.
We're having Nerf War right now. You should see let's have this chaos right now.
Hey, everyone who has a gun, get on this side real quick. And then everyone who doesn't have a gun, get over here. Where's the ball? Where's the ball?
Send him a flare! Send him a flare!
Cover!
This one's inactive. Oh, what?
Hold on, this is scary. It wobbles.
We need something.
Look at that. It just does that. I ain't getting on that. Just stay up. Wait, question. Can we pick up your guys' darts and throw it back? Alright, but if we hit you guys, it's sometimes you hit.
Can I throw an axe at them and then they get out?
Alright, so.
The mighty four and shit.
Alright, so melee weapons, if you hit them anywhere, they're automatically dead. Yes. And then all we have to do is just make it to there. But then if they get a hold of the ball, then we lose. But we can throw the ball at them, and technically they're out. So, boom, they're out.
Good shot.
And we can't shoot until we're past the half-court line.
What happened to my shotgun?
When can they pass?